I broke a lid from a Sensio Inc. Model ETA 902A crock pot. Are there replacement lids that I can purchase? This lid belongs to one of our triple bay warners, which I was responsible for breaking it. I need your help in this matter. Our crocks are black, which we use on our serving lines. Clear lid with handle on lid.
You can purchase replacement parts by calling 128662832-4843 Sensio Inc. Or email support@sensioinc.com. Hi, I'm just following up with you to see how everything is going. Did my answer help? If you are still having a problem, please feel free to come back for additional assistance. Let me know, Mike.
Just waiting for the company to send me the crock pot lid so that we can use it again. I would bet that it is on the UPS truck this week to be delivered this week.
Great, thanks. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.